Hello, sir.
How are you, sir?
Just a minute. I have some questions for you.
Yes.
Have you heard anything
Yes.
about the country Uzbekistan?
Yeah.
Uzbekistan, do you know?
But no. Just,
No.
just one minute. Stop here.
Okay. Hello, sir. Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Have you heard anything about the country Uzbekistan?
I know Uzbekistan.
Do you know?
Yes, I know.
What do you know about it?
This is for Muslim, prior to Muslim country.
country,
Yes.
yes.
Uzbekistan is it's prior to have more than Muslim this country.
Yeah.
I know Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Pakistan. I
Pakistan,
know. Yes.
All of them are located in Central Asia,
Yes,
near
yes,
each
yes,
other.
yes.
Very good.
Yes.
I am from Mingbulak. Mingbulak is a district of Uzbekistan.
District for Uzbekistan.
District
Yes.
of Uzbekistan. And can you send greetings to people who live in Mingbulak? Okay. And I wish you to send greetings in Uzbek language. Don't you know Uzbek language? I know. I spell. You try to repeat.
Yeah.
Okay. Assalomu alaykum O'zbekiston.
Assalamu alaikum Uzbekistan.
Assalomu alaykum Mingbulaq ahli.
Assalamu alaikum Mingbulaq ahla.
Barchangizga
Bachanga. I don't know.
Qatardan
Qatardan. Alhamdulillah.
alangali
Alangali.
salom.
Salam.
Thank you very much.
Thank you
Have
so
a nice
much,
day.
everyone.
Okay. Mingbuloq so'zini safarda, ayniqsa chet elda eshitish odamga boshqacha zavq beradi. Buni musofirda yurganlar juda yaxshi bilishadi. Aeroportdan boshlab mehmonxona xodimi bo'ladimi, ko'chadan mesnisi bo'ladimi, ushlab olib Mingbuloq deb boshini qotiryapmiz. Xudo xolasa tez orada nasib qilib Qatarga yoki Dubayga kelganingizda Primoy Mingbuloqdanman desangiz taniydigan bo'lib qolishadi. Izohlarda ismingizni yozib qoldiring. Keyingi videolarda birinchi yozilgan 20 tasiga ism salom ayttiramiz. O'zingizni istoriyangiz uchun chiroyli videorolik qilib beramiz va shu kunlarda tug'ilgan kuni bor insonlar bo'lsa, uni ham yozib qoldiring. Tug'ilgan kuningiz bilan tabriklatib, happy birthday ayttiramiz bu qoravoylarga. Bizni kuzatishda davom eting. Kuningiz xayrli va omadli o'tsin.